In today's video, we will learn how we can georeference an image in ArcGIS. Firstly, we will see how we can georeference an image in which the coordinate information is provided to us, and then we'll see how we can georeference an image in which we are not having any coordinate information. Let's get started. We'll add our image, go to Add Data, navigate to the folder where you have saved your image, then click on the image and add it. In Unknown Spatial Reference, click on OK. Here the image has been loaded. This is the Survey of India topo sheet. I'll just zoom in to show you the coordinates. As you can see here, we are having the coordinates. On top, right click and click on this georeferencing. As you can see here, we have got this georeferencing. Now we can click on this Add Control Points. Bring the plus icon here. Then right click. Here you can see this input DMS of longitude and latitude that's blacked out. We need to activate it. Firstly, we'll just cancel point. Now we'll click on the screen, right click. Here go to data frame properties. And in this, go to coordinate system. Then you can search for WGS 1984. Press enter. Then after you find this WGS 1984, apply and OK. Now again we'll add our control point. Just right click. Here we'll input the degree, minute, second of the longitude and latitude. As you can see here, the longitude is 76 degree 30 minutes 0 seconds. We'll just input that. It will be east. Then latitude is 28 degree. Then we are having 30 minutes and 0 second. And this will be set to north. Once this is set to east and north, click on OK. Then we'll right click here in the layer, zoom to layer. Now again I'll zoom in. On the right top corner, we'll use this coordinate. Click on Add Control Point. Bring the plus icon. Then right click. Input degree, minute, second of longitude and latitude. Here it is 76 degree 45 minutes. We'll just input that 76 degree 45 minutes and this is 0 second. Then we have 28 degree 30 minutes and 0 second. Check this, it should be set to east and north. Again right click on the layer and zoom to layer. Now we'll take the third corner, zoom in. The process is same. Click on Add Control Point, bring the plus icon. Then we'll just right click, input the degree, minute, second, which here is 76 degree 30 minutes and 0 seconds. Set it to east. This is 28 degree 15 minutes 0 seconds. This will be set to north. Again we'll right click and zoom to layer. Then zoom in and click on the Add Control Point. Bring the plus icon, then right click. Here it is 76 degree 45 minutes 0 second and 28 degree 15 minutes 0 seconds. Click on OK. Now as you can see, this image has been georeferenced. Now click on georeferencing and click on this update georeferencing. Let's just check. Right click on this and zoom to layer. I'll just zoom into any area, and from that we'll check whether it is georeferenced or not. Now as you can see here, this is Hansawaz, Haryana. Here I'll right click on the top corner and I'll activate this geocoding option. In the search box I have entered Hansawaz, Haryana, and I'll just press enter. Once I press enter, you observed that we saw a green dot. Again I'll show you. Again we saw that green dot, which means it's correctly georeferenced. Now I'll just erase this Hansawaz, Haryana, and I'll check for some other place. Like let's just check for this Patoda. I'll just type the address here, Patoda, Haryana, and we'll check it. Press enter. We saw that the green dot appeared here, which means this image has been correctly georeferenced, and below also you can see the decimal degrees. Now I'll just close this, and even I'll just untick this layer. I'm having another image. I'll just add that image. Here in this image we are not having any coordinates. We'll georeference this with the help of shapefile of Haryana. I have added the image in this shapefile. Here in georeferencing, now set it to Haryana map image. Then in georeferencing, click on this fit to display. Now as you can see, it is not georeferenced. Here click on the color, make it no color. You can change the outline color and OK. Now here you will find an option in georeferencing, which is scale option. We'll use the scale option and shift option. Firstly, I'll just shift it towards left. You just have to use your mouse in order to shift it. Left mouse click and you can shift it. Now I'll just zoom in here and we'll try to match some corners. This corner and this corner, these are same. We'll click on this add control point. Here bring your plus icon and then shift it to this corner, which is the vertex of Haryana. Once you'll click on it, you can see both the corners have matched. Same way here, this corner, we'll try to match it. We'll add the control point here in the image and then we'll shift it here. So again we have shifted it successfully. I'll just zoom out. Same way we'll find other points. Here somewhere, let me just zoom in again. Here I am having this point which I can accurately reference it from the image to the Haryana vertex. Same way you can find such points in your own image. You can zoom in and you can shift it from the image to the shapefile. Again, these corners are matching. You have to add the control point in your image. Then you have to shift it in your shapefile. Same way, let me just zoom in here. if I can find something. Yes, we have this. So I'll just add the control point here in the image, then shift it. We have successfully georeferenced that portion. Now here we have a curved portion, but I'm not able to determine which portion from the image will match in this shapefile. Even then, let me just try it. So here again we have tried it, but this did not work. For that, what you can do is, here you'll find this view link table. In the view link table, you'll find the control point which you have added. This is the 6th control point that we added. We can just click on this point. You can press delete from your keyboard, or else here in the top you'll find this option of delete link. Just click on that and this will get deleted. Now let's just find some other corner and try to georeference this correctly. I'll just zoom out and again then zoom in some other corner. You can even scale your image in order to georeference it. Now here I'm having this corner. I'll just add the control point and drag it here on my shapefile. Now we can see that the image has been georeferenced. Then in georeferencing, click on this update georeferencing. This image has been updated, and now whenever you will load this image, it will be georeferenced. And below you can see the coordinates in decimal degrees. It is showing accurate coordinates. I'll just right click on the screen in data frame properties. I'll go to the general option. Then here in display, I'll just set it to degree, minute, second. Apply and OK. Now you can see the coordinates in degree, minute and second. You can verify it in the same way as we had verified for the previous image. So this is how you can georeference an image which is having coordinates or which is not having any coordinate information. Thank you.